So one of Binance's best kept secrets is their grid trading bot. And if you don't know what that is, basically grid trading bot executes hundreds of different small trades on your behalf for incredibly small amounts of profit. But these small and successful trades, when done 24 hours per day, 7 days per week, they really stack up. So I've been personally using the trading bot for last 10 days, and out of the 4 bots that I run during this period of time, only one has not been profitable, and that was because I made a mistake. We'll go into that a little bit later. But first, how do you actually access these bots? All you have to do is go to Binance.com, go to trade right here, strategy trading, then go to futures grid. And that's where the futures grid bot lives. And as you can see, this AVAX bot, I have been running it for last 3 days, and during this period it has made me 25% in profit. And this number will actually fluctuate quite a bit, and in the title of the video I actually mentioned 33% because that's what it was like a couple of hours ago, so it will go up and down quite a bit. But overall it has been really profitable. The initial margin for this bot is $100. And if we take a look here, currently out of this $100, it's only using $46. And that is so the liquidation price is a lot higher, because if you use 100% of your margin, liquidation prices will be really close to what you're currently trading at, and it will be really easy to get liquidated. As you can see right here, it has done 61 successful trades, each of which has netted me 40 cents, which is not that bad at all. An average daily trades that it has made successfully are 20. Annualized yield is 3000%, but this will fluctuate as well, so don't take this as, a law. So don't take this as something that will definitely happen. This is more like your daily insight, okay? Also, you will see that I have set it to 20x leverage, which means that for every 1% that happens in the charts, my profits are actually 20x of that. So in total, I have run 4 bots in the past. Only one of it was not profitable, and that was BNB BUSD bot, because I think this is one of the first bots that I ran and I set the wrong settings with it. I will talk about settings a little bit later, but the trading pair that has made me the most amount of money is AVAX BUSD pair, and as you can see, with $50 margin it was able to make me $20 or 41% in period of 6 days. Then there's Ethereum bot which made 16% in 8 days. And I realized that the dollar amount might not seem that significant, but imagine if you put a larger amount of money in this, okay? 41% in 6 days, that is pretty significant gains if you can sustain it for prolonged periods of time. Basically, as soon as I saw that this bot was the one that is performing the best, I stopped it and increased the margin to X. As you can see, margin here was $50 and margin here is $100. And here you can see the strategy kind of in action. Basically, it's creating a bunch of limit orders in what's called a trading grid, and by doing this it's able to secure small amounts of profit like every couple of hours. So how can you create a bot for yourself as well? Well, it's really easy. All you have to do is click on auto right here, click on neutral. Initially I actually tested the bot with short because the market is kind of going down, so I thought that shorting might work the best, but I was wrong because it lost all my money and I actually got liquidated when I went with short option. So what I've learned by running 4 bots over a period of 10 days is that neutral is working the best. Initial margin, I suggest you start with something like $50 because that's something you can still get some nice profit out of, and for me it's not a huge amount of money that I'm afraid to lose, okay? When you set your initial margin, all you have to do is click create and the bot will be running in the background. That is basically all there is to it, guys. If you enjoyed this video and if you want to see me make more videos about bot trading, consider subscribing to the channel. Also check out my own project that I launched a couple of weeks ago, Estate-Fi. We are doing something revolutionary, basically leveraging real estate to create passive income for holders.